Animals have legs, claws, and teeth to defend themselves from predators. Plants are anchored to the ground. To survive millions of years of evolution, plants developed an invisible, highly effective defense mechanism: chemical warfare. We often view vegetables as passive delivery vehicles for vitamins, but biology tells a different story. Many plants contain anti-nutrients, compounds specifically designed to inhibit digestion, steal minerals, and punish the animals that eat them. Today we map out the two most common chemical defenses: oxalates and phytic acid. If you look at the nutritional label for raw almonds, beans, or whole grains, you will see high levels of zinc, iron, and magnesium. However, a label only tells you what is in the food, not what your body can extract. These seeds and grains store their phosphorus in a molecule called phytic acid, or phytate. When you consume phytic acid, it acts as a chemical chelator in your digestive tract. It acts like a magnet, binding tightly to the positive ions of calcium, zinc, and iron present in your meal. Once bound, your digestive enzymes cannot break the connection. The minerals are locked in a chemical vault and pass right through your digestive system unabsorbed. You ate the zinc, but the plant stole it back. Oxalates are a different class of defense, found heavily in superfoods like spinach, Swiss chard, and beetroot. In the plant, oxalic acid helps regulate calcium and defends against insects. When ingested by humans, oxalic acid aggressively binds with calcium in the blood and kidneys to form calcium oxalate. Under a microscope, calcium oxalate crystals look like double-pointed glass needles. This is not a metaphor. They are structurally sharp. When these crystals accumulate in the kidneys, they aggregate to form the most common type of kidney stone. While oxalates and phytates steal minerals, lectins attack the cellular structure of the gut. Lectins are carbohydrate-binding proteins heavily concentrated in raw legumes, like kidney beans. They are highly resistant to stomach acid. When they reach the small intestine, they bind to the epithelial cells lining the gut wall. This binding disrupts the tight junctions between cells, potentially allowing undigested food particles and endotoxins to slip into the bloodstream. This is the primary mechanical driver of systemic inflammation and leaky gut. Are plants toxic? If eaten raw in massive quantities, yes. But humans possess a technological advantage: the culinary arts. Our ancestors didn't eat raw quinoa or unsoaked beans. They utilized heat, hydration, and fermentation to chemically disarm the plant's defenses before ingestion. Soaking and sprouting activates an enzyme called phytase, which naturally degrades phytic acid, unlocking the zinc and iron. Boiling leaches water-soluble oxalates out of spinach and into the cooking water, which you then discard. Pressure cooking uses extreme heat to completely denature lectin proteins, rendering them harmless. Plants do not want to be eaten. By understanding their chemical defenses, we can use preparation methods to bypass their armor, extracting the micronutrients while leaving the toxins behind.